Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie here, and today I'm going to show you how you can organize your Huawei Nova 11 Pro a bit more. I'm going to show you how you can move apps around and create app folders. And for that, we'll go and get started with just an app, and we take it and we will press and hold and then just move it around where we want it to be. You can also create a next slide and put apps there. We can bring it back by just pressing and then holding against the edge here, and then it will come to the other slide again. We can create app folders just by pressing and holding and then drag one app on top of another. And you can do that with, well, all apps. And now you have your folder here. You can rename it. You can say hi, and then we have our folder here. We can also move that around, just like it's just the same as with the apps. And if we want to undo that again, we can just press and hold and drag the apps out of that folder again. And then if we only have one app left in our folder, the folder disappears by itself. We can also enlarge and shrink folders. So we can say shrink, and then it's just as big as the ones here. Or we can say enlarge, and then it's bigger. So that's what you can do to organize your phone a bit. You can organize your phone by, I don't know, themes or things you use the most and the least, and well, whatever else. So that's how you can organize your phone a bit. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.